In 1998, they redrew the world map. In 2000, they predicted a bankrupt superpower. And in 2016, they gave us the exact date for the first private mission to Mars. For decades, we laughed at the absurdity of The Simpsons. We called it satire. We called it a coincidence. But as we cross the threshold into 2026, the laughter is starting to fade. Today, we are declassifying the four most chilling predictions set to collide with reality this year. This isn't a cartoon anymore. This is the 2026 blueprint. Our first stop takes us to the frozen north. In the 2002 episode, Blame It on Lisa, a blink and you miss a detail caught the eyes of geopolitical analysts. Homer Simpson is seen wearing a shirt with a provocative image, Uncle Sam literally biting into Greenland with a chilling caption, "Try and stop us." At the time, it was a joke about American imperialism, an absurdity, but as we enter 2026, the joke has died. The melting Arctic ice is opening new trade routes, and Greenland is no longer just a frozen island. It is the most strategic piece of land on the 2026 world map. Coincidence? Or a 30-year-old warning? Moving to our second revelation, one that the internet calls the superhero fall. In a 2012 episode titled Lisa Goes Gaga, the show depicted a world-renowned pop star descending from the roof of a massive stadium, suspended by wires, wearing a shimmering silver outfit. At the time, it seemed like a standard animated gag. But fast forward 5 years to Super Bowl 51, Lady Gaga performed that exact stunt in the exact same costume, defying gravity in a way that felt like a glitch in the simulation. Was it a tribute? Or did the producers of the Super Bowl simply follow a blueprint written years prior? Then, there's the 2016 prediction that is currently unfolding in real time. In the episode, The Martian Chronicles, the Simpsons family signs up for a one-way mission to colonize Mars, scheduled for high-stakes testing in the mid-2020s. While NASA's Artemis missions are aiming for the moon, private giants like SpaceX are eyeing 2026 as a critical window for their Mars cargo missions. The episode didn't just predict the destination, it predicted the privatization of space, showing a future where corporations, not just governments, lead the charge into the red unknown. Are we watching a cartoon or a leaked timeline for the next decade of human history? But perhaps the most chilling forecast concerns the global economy. In the iconic episode Bart to the Future, we see President Lisa Simpson struggling to fix a massive budget crunch inherited from her predecessor. For years, this was seen as a simple political jab, but in 2026, the punchline is becoming a prophecy. With global debt reaching record highs and inflation destabilizing Tier 1 nations, economic analysts are warning of a correction that mirrors the Simpsons' vision. As the world shifts toward digital currencies and decentralized finance, the old system is cracking. They didn't just predict a crisis, they predicted the end of the financial world as we know it. 4 predictions. 1 year. As we edge closer to 2026, the boundary between animation and reality continues to dissolve. Is Matt Groening a time traveler, or is this a meticulously crafted blueprint for our future? The patterns are there for those willing to see them. From the Arctic ice to the red sands of Mars, the countdown has already begun. We used to watch The Simpsons to laugh at the world. Now we watch it to see what's coming next. The question is no longer if they are right, but how much time we have left. Prepare yourself, because 2026 isn't just a date, it's a destination.